Hey, happy Friday. This is Perfect Balance Kitchen Confidential. On Fridays, I always try to talk about planning. So my day tomorrow is a little bit crazy. I leave here at about 6:30 in the morning and I get home at 8:30 at night. I'm speaking at this super great event. And I was talking to the event coordinator about, what they have for lunch. They have sandwiches, chips, cookies. That does not work for me. I don't love the way I feel eating gluten. I don't love salt, and I'm not gonna eat cookies. So I'm setting myself up for success. I actually went to Whole Foods and I got some cooked chicken breasts. I got their broccoli crunch salad, which is one of my favorites. And I also got some other roasted veggies. I'm gonna cut that all up and put it in a container and bring for lunch, as well as I'm gonna bring a couple bars because I'm there until 8 o'clock at night. Now, I don't know about you, but